I welcome you for the inauguration of Entrepreneur 2015, the in-house B-Plan competition. It's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. So if you think you have an idea and want to make it a reality, then Entrepreneur is for you. This entrepreneurial expedition aims to identify budding entrepreneurs who have innovation, creativity and imagination. Today, we have with us Dr. Veenannath SH, Joint Director, Export Cell, Vishveshwaraya Trade Promotion Center, Dharwad, who is the chief guest of the function. Also present is Shri Sanjeev Adhyapak, Member, Board of Management, KLS, presiding over the function. Shri Rahul Upin, Upin's Beauty Shop, and Ms. Swati Olkar, Subhash Photo Studio are the judges of the event.
I wanted to appeal to all of you, don't try to write this business plan for others. In the country, if you look at the history, we have been very good planners since day one, ever since we have got the independence and all that. You look at the documents, look at the vision, look at our 5 years plans. They were all fantastic, marvelous. But unfortunately, somewhere we wrote all those documents thinking that it's not for me, it's for somebody else to implement. So you have to really think big on this, and I appeal to all of you, you write your own business plans. Don't write for others. I have to quote this, Dr. Virendra Hegde. Very simply he has said almost 2 decades back, and that was the base for establishment of so many self-employment training institutions in the country. Now you know that root cities are world famous, not only famous at national level, even so many countries are looking at those models, root city model. It was all only when he said, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So for this B plan, what you need to do is you have to first plan it and then you need to execute it. So planning is very simple. You refer books, you take help of somebody, and as our chief guest said, you prepare your own business plan. The important thing is how it can be executed. Here your success of plan will be decided. So what you write in a paper is a plan, may not be true at the time of execution, and your managerial skills will come into picture when that plan is executed by you in a real business environment.
Train goes, but track remains. Truck goes, but e-wheels always remains with you.
Wait for around 2 days to get the proper load of that truck to cover all their expenses. And to get the load of the truck, we are here focusing on 2 main perspectives. That is, get the load for your truck and get the trucks for your load.
Made a survey. This is a very important aspect, as in the normal cost from Goa to Belgaum would be 600. So what is the advantage if
280 that we are segmenting, and in that 280, that enough SAM, that is strong share of the market is almost about 80% of the SAM. And when it comes to segmentation, targeting and positioning, for segmentation we are doing the firmographic and demographic, that is industries and geographical areas like Belgaum, Goa and Bangalore, Mumbai.
Develop will take place, and it is around it's around 20,000 square foot is there, and number of flats are 20, and location is Hubli Dharwad.
Access 20 and location is Hubli Dharwad. So name company type is partnership firm, and the vision effective and efficient utilization of resources and the mission is to render the
Crores, what is the initial investment you have mentioned? From where are you going to get that 35 crores in initial investments?
ATM cards are everywhere now. ATM machines are everywhere. So that is not.
Kirloskar Group have prepared a B plan on smart construction of a smart city, where they have planned to raise 2,500 per month for the 400 members for the period of 5 years.
For every person, the plan is of collecting 2,500 per month from 400 members. We are going to provide them membership schemes for the 400 persons, and we are investing.
The marketing strategy is the main fundamental goal of increasing sales and achieving sustainable competitive advantage to our business. So in every business, the marketing strategy is very important in all the aspects.
It is the partner. As we are 4 partners, we are investing 10 lakhs each. That is 40 lakhs, and we are using that 40 lakhs before construction of a smart city. But this is what is uniqueness in this smart city is. By taking 2,500 per month from the investors, we are giving them a 10% concession rate in the flats.
The food conduct social activities. I suggest you to go for this daycare
Word meaning wellness. And Shalom is an establishment in Belgaum city. The most important part of any B plan is to identify a problem which can be solved.
The business and the Shalom, you would be starting as an NGO, or it would be a proper business kind, for the profit?
The center will be basically in the outskirts, because we want our participants, that is senior citizens, to have a very peaceful atmosphere where they can lose off.
Okay.
So I have heard about your car washing facility. So can you help me out?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
My home address is 2nd Main 9 Cross, Sadashiv Nagar, Belgaum.
Okay. What time?
तो नहीं लग रहा? कितना चार्ज है आपका?
250 only.
ठीक है. 300 रख लो, चलेगा.
Thank you.
The major one is the marketing plan, the incentives that market the food truck. The first one is to host a public ribbon cutting or opening day celebration. The first day, of course, we'll have a public
The IMEA theme special B plan cupcakes for today. And the next ones are the Casa cake special cakes as usual. And donuts are there, and
Separate bakery kind
no,
of
ma'am.
thing?
We will be getting specialized ovens where it will be able to produce those many number of cupcakes that we need or cakes that we need. We just need, one is the mixing equipment and second will be the ovens. So we
set up the business, and in the plan we are going to see how we are going to run. Okay. Over to you, Abhishek.
Of our B plan, which is promoting and expanding the restaurant concept as a unique restaurant. As it is a unique because we have
A country like India, it is rapidly, in a country like India, you all can see a rapidly elevating prices of LPG, which is again used for domestic.
Get the best out of waste. An authentic biogas plant service provider, wherein we assemble all the required.
पागल हो गया, बायोगैस प्लांट बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा.
नहीं, सिर्फ 10,000 मिल रहा है. यहीं पे पास में ही रेजिनेरिक
हमारे मोहल्ले में किसने इंस्टॉल किया है क्या? इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली कैसे बोल सकते
बाजू
हो?
वाले ने इंस्टॉल की है. आज मैंने उनको पूछा, जाके आप
The gas produced, it will be connected to your store,
Okay.
so that you can use it. And the cost is about 10,000. Government will product and take it. There are no delivery charges for pre-order. Coming to the same day sale, what is same day sale? Suddenly in the morning you realize you need to make pulao in the lunch, for lunch, and you don't have.
some years, okay, this plan was being presented in IMER. So I think I should see some of the plans being executed after some years.
Do it for yourself. Few of the plans were really done well, but few of them were done for just the sake of the competition, not for the actual implementation of the plans.
Any guesses? Any guesses for best pitch? The best pitch goes to Dhanavarsha from Infosys. Third prize goes to Biocon, Mr. Shashidhar, Kedar, Sagar, Musli, Kishan. They all are from first year.
It is a surprise. First prize goes to Future Group, Shubham Raj, Shweta, Deepika and Pawan. Is best prototype goes to again Future Group.